So I came from UMass Boston. I was studying engineering of physics, and I kind of found myself just drowning in a lot of lecturing and work, and I kind of just realized like this isn't for me. I'm just doing a lot of reading, a lot of theoretical things that just don't apply to real world applications. So I asked a friend like, hey, do you have any recommendations for any other school? So he told me to come to Franklin Cummings Tech, and from there on I fell in love. Everything's more realistic, everything's project based, real world applications that I can do. Like my professors just care for me so much that my resume just keeps growing every other month because of how much projects they have given me. And when it comes to like interviewing for jobs, they just are like astonished by the amount of work that I've done for a person who's doing associates, because usually it's bachelor's. Like my major is cybersecurity. Yeah, this past summer I worked with Boston Main Street Foundation. I worked with them for the course of like 10 weeks, and it was basically a cybersecurity clinic. Like we worked with 30 small businesses around Boston, and we kind of just assessed like all the technology that they had in their business and letting them know at the end of the 10 weeks through a presentation like, hey, these are the things you need to secure in your business. If not, like if there is a cyber attack, like you're at risk of your business like failing. I'm 1000%. I would not look back. I mean, even when I talk to other students in other colleges, they're like just like left with their mouth open that I even like found internships, the amount of things that I'm doing, because it's like you don't find internships your first year of college, but because of all the knowledge that I'm learning and it's applicable to the real world, that's really what I notice that employers are looking for. It's not just a degree, but it's also like, can you apply this to this position at work? So yeah, I wouldn't look back. I'm genuinely happy, and I tell my parents every day, like, this is crazy. Like, it's honestly just shocking how far I'm getting in just 2 years.